Good morning. In this lesson, we are using met scales to calculate distances. Right. So our practice question says the distance from Cape Town to Stellenbosch is 35 kilometers. We need to determine the length on the map in centimeters if the scale is 1 to 150,000. Right. So we have our kilometers and then we have our map scale, which is 1 to 150,000. So we will use the formula map distance is equal to the actual distance over the scale factor, right? Which means divided by. But in order for us to successfully do the conversion, we first need to convert the actual distance to be centimeters as it is on the map. Let's continue on the next board. Right. So when we are converting the kilometers to centimeters, we will take the kilometers, multiply it by 1,000 because from kilometers to meters, it's 1,000. There's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. And then there are 100 centimeters in a meter. That's how you would convert this. So we got our kilometers at 35. We multiply that by 1,000 and then multiply it by 100 so that we can get our answer in centimeters, right? Just going to, so to make this easier, you would write the 35 and the amount of zeros after that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we're multiplying with thousands and 100. So we will have 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we write that correctly, numerically correct, this is what it looks like. Because when we write numbers, we don't write all of them one on top of the other. We actually separate them 3 digits at a time. So this is easier to read, and that's step 2. Step 3 says then we need to divide the actual distance by the scale factor. So the actual distance, now the converted distance. Right? And we will divide that by 150,000, which is the map scale. And when we divide that, sorry, I'm just getting my calculator, divided by 150,000, that leaves us with an approximate value of 23,33 centimeters. Now, if you were going to round this up or down, you would actually just get 23 centimeters. So it would be 23, and this is why we say it's an approximate value. So when we converted this to centimeters, our approximate value on the map or the distance on the map would be 23 centimeters. Please remember, when you have a decimal after the number, right, and you have digits after the decimal, you would make it an approximate value. And this is me having rounded it up or down to the nearest centimeter, which is 23 centimeters. And that is how you do it. Good luck. I hope this helps.